So over here you can see that I have an object on my viewport, and I have already added in some keyframes right here and some animations, and I'm on my graph view. So over here you can see that there's a lot of lines, and then to work around with each one of them you might face confusion. So in order to see only specific graph at times, you can go over here on to the left side, and here you can see that there's this object transform property. So if I were to click on this little triangle icon, then this is what you have. So you have the X location, as you can see, the Y location, Z location. So these are the location keyframes, while these right here are the Euler location, and these are for the scale. So let's say you just want to work around with the X, Y, and Z location. So I'm holding Shift and clicking on 3 of them. And now what happens is that 3 of them is selected. So now if I were to go around and press Shift H on my keyboard, then everything else is hidden, as you can see. So now I only have these 3 lines to work with. I can go around over here, and on the left side you can see the eye. You can also click and close this out, and now you only have the x-axis, as you can see right here. So if I were to change it, it only works around with the x-axis. You can work around with it, change it according to what you like it, and then re-enable the rest according to how you like it. Similarly, you can go around onto the Y location right here. Let's go around, and then on the Y location you can select it and then move it on the Y location according to what you like. And that is how you can hide the graphics to focus upon individual property keyframes inside of Blender. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.